Hello everyone, we have been receiving a lot of queries regarding Cue Card. Describe a foreign country you would like to visit. So we would like to cover this topic today. So let's start. There are lots of countries which I would like to visit in my life, but today I would like to speak about a country which is in my list which I would like to visit as soon as possible, and that is Canada. It is one of the most famous country in the world, and its neighboring countries are America and Mexico. The reason behind visiting this country is that a lots of my friends, my relatives, and my cousins are already living there. Some of are studying there. However, some have already received their permanent residentship in the country. The main reason behind visiting this country is that it's been a long time that I have never been met those my relatives. So I would like to meet them. Apart from that, the weather of this country is quite cold, and most of the land and mountains are covered with snow. So I can collect a lot of memories. I can click pictures, record video for my social media platforms, so that I can create lifelong memories for it. And apart from that, there are lots of popular tourist places in this country, and some of them are like Niagara Fall, CN Tower, and there is an aquarium which is famous worldwide. I would like to visit those places and click pictures over there so that I can show it to my friends, my relatives, and my family as well. Additionally, I would like to tell you that the visa process is quite smooth. There is no specific requirements for the country. If you like the video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, comment the Q card topic in which you are facing issue so that we can record it for you. Thank you.